Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Home Cooking with Dana. Today is the day 6 of 10 days of one pan recipes and we're going to make creamy orzo with spinach. If you like this dish, give a thumbs up and subscribe to see rest of the one pan recipes.
I have listed all the ingredients that we need. Let's make this simple recipe that's made in one baking dish. Preheat the oven to 220 centigrade. First thing is to grab the baking dish and put cheese right into the middle. Then we are adding chopped cherry tomatoes and 2 cups of orzo, or you can also call this risoni. Then go sun-dried tomatoes along with oil. Oil has heaps of flavors, so don't forget to add 2 tablespoons of sun-dried tomato oil. Add half a teaspoon of dried oregano and pepper to taste. I have prepared stock here, 3½ cup of warm water with 1 teaspoon of veggie stock powder. Feel free to use chicken or beef stock if you like. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Cover this with a foil and place in the oven for 15 minutes. While it is in the oven, let's prepare the cheese. Here I have smoked white cheddar cheese. You can use any type of cheese. Grate about 1 cup or as you prefer. After 15 minutes, take the baking dish out and give it a mix. At this moment, it is half cooked. The liquid is still there as you can see. I am using handful of frozen basil. Fresh is even better. Sprinkle them on top. Then add 2 cups of spinach and lastly, sprinkle the grated cheese. Place this back in the oven without covering for another 10 minutes. Cheese is going to melt and give the creaminess to this dish. Here it is, our creamy orzo is ready now. Dinner is ready in no time and do enjoy. If you have your favorite orzo recipe, feel free to share with us on the comment section. See you next time with day 7 one pan recipe.